making a new soap today. I'm going to be using Cactus Flower from Brambleberry. It's supposed to behave well and be nice and play nice. I'm going to do an in the pot swirl. I've got 3 different colors. I have a nice green here. I have an ultramarine violet and an ultramarine pink. So this one is from Crafter's Choice. These 2 are from Nurture Soap. And then I have some embeds. I'll grab them real quick that I had made previously. These are with LCP, light cold process, glycerin soap embeds, detergent free. So all soap, nothing yucky. I have little cactus here that I'm going to put in the middle, and then I have these little succulents that are gonna go on top, and then I've got a little extra one. So hopefully everything will fit in place okay. So there's my little succulents right there. So it's gonna be kind of like pinks and greens and purples, and it's gonna be really fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, in the pot swirl should be kind of easy peasy. Hopefully my little cactus inside will not fall over. Back, and I ended up having to leave this alone for over half an hour, and if you can see, this is still pretty darn fluid. I cannot believe how fluid this fragrance has stayed. So I would honestly call this a decelerating fragrance oil. So sometimes you have, I mean, I've honestly never had quite happen like this. I've had obviously accelerating ones or ones that work pretty good, but for it to be this fluid 30 minutes later, I had to actually end up cutting some of the video out because I was like, oh, I'll clean up a little bit, and I cleaned up, and I'm like, it was still fluid. I tried putting that one in, the one over here, and I kind of sunk. So I literally went and did a load of laundry. I folded laundry. I started a new one. It was still really fluid. I just went and had lunch. It's still pretty fluid. However, it is set up enough that I can put the embeds on top. So it's still super fluid. So this fragrance, if you are needing something for a very intricate design or like a pull-through design or something, I would definitely recommend this one. So we're going to go ahead and place these embeds in, and then I will fast forward because it'll take me a minute. See how that, I don't know if you can see over here, but it's sitting right on top and it's still very fluid. So let me go ahead and place these. Getting ready to cut the cactus flower ones. It smells amazing, and if you can see, that green did morph back. So when you use this green, it's sliced kiwi green from Crafter's Choice Wholesale Supplies Plus, and it morphs to like a swamp green. It looks really awful, but then it morphs back. So really pretty. Really excited to see how these look, and they're still a little bit soft, which is weird. I just cut another batch that was hard as a rock, and different fragrance oil. So sometimes I do funky things, exact same recipe and everything. So let's go ahead and cut this. Funny looking at the cactus. Let me find one. So see how it is lighter or whiter there, kind of a paler green than that. So what had happened is when I poured these, I actually ran out of the clear and I had leftovers of this, so I just poured that into the mold. So that's what that color is. That's not any type of discoloration. I had used a clear, light cold process glycerin soap, LCP soap, and then I used an opaque one or a white one when I did these, and that was just some leftover that I had in the mold. So those are really cool. They smell amazing.